Hi guys, I'm Amy.
And I'm Brittany.
From the Postech team. Brittany, what are we doing today?
We're visiting head office to speak with Matthew to learn about why Postech Screw Piles is so different than any other pile company out there.
So, let's go.
So Matt, can you tell me why Postech Screw Piles are different than any other pile company?
Well, we're a bit different in a few different factors. So the first one being that we're using North American steel, which is really important. We want to have steel that's from here, that's made according to our norms. We are also certified CWB, which means that our welding is done right here and that we can guarantee what we're doing. We're also hot dip galvanizing all of our product, which means that they'll last forever. And then we also have that thermal insulation, that famous thermal insulation inside our piles, prevents any frost or movement at the base. And finally, last but certainly not least, is we have our dealers. They're friendly, they're professional, they know what they're doing. They will come to your house, they will come and see your project, and then you'll be set.